Coffee was just a habit like many others. Then one day I tasted a really good cup of coffee. After that, I didn't look back. I'm a coffee lover and I would like to share my experiences, my passion, whatever I learned on coffee with you guys. This is my first coffee video, so if there are any mistakes in the video, please forgive me. I'm sure I'll try to improve. Today we're gonna unbox the Timemore Chestnut manual coffee grinder. I've always loved the smell of freshly ground coffee, and making it every day was a dream. After looking at several products and several days of analysis, I have arrived at the Timemore Chestnut C2, which was within my budget and it could deliver whatever I want. Manual coffee grinder is perfect for filter coffees. Today we're going to unbox the Timemore Chestnut C2 manual coffee grinder. I love the smell of freshly ground coffee, hence I wanted that every day. So I purchased the Timemore Chestnut C2 manual coffee grinder out of Amazon. Finally the package has arrived. Without any further delay, let's break open the seal. The packaging is made of pretty high quality material and the box has a very sophisticated brownish color. We also have the Timemore logo at the bottom. On the inside we have the travel bag, some paperwork, the coffee grinder's body, the handle and the cleaning brush. Let's move the box. My first impression is that it's very well built, it's heavy, it has this grippy finish. The threading here is pretty solid and the grind setting control is made of metal, which is pretty impressive. Now let's place the handle on the top. The rotation is quite smooth. The cap is made of plastic and so is the handle. There are some plastic bits in the inside as well. We have the Timemore logo at the bottom. This product comes in a grey metal finish. It has this grippy texture which is pretty useful while grinding coffee. The brush can be used for cleaning bits of coffee that's lying around after you have ground the coffee. The grind settings can be adjusted only if you have the cap on. Compared to the previous version, this grind controller is made of metal, which feels pretty solid in hand. The product can be assembled pretty easily. You take the body, screw it to the bottom, and then you attach the lid. It's as simple as that. Now let's grind some coffee. So I have some medium roasted coffee with me today. It's easy to load the coffee. Now I'm grinding it for a pour over. coffee is pretty decent. You can see the coffee, it smells wonderful. You can see that the coffee grinding is pretty even and it's wonderful. The entire coffee is now ground and you can see that the grind is pretty consistent. I'm happy. Thanks for watching the video today. I'll soon post an in-depth review of this coffee grinder along with various grind settings and how it performs in different situations. Until then, thanks for watching.